Good morning everyone. We are from Team TechX and our topic for the hackathon is AI powered ticketing system for the power grid. As we know, the power grid plays a native role in supplying electricity all over India as it connects the people to the power station, the consumer to the power station, but the problems faced within the power grid are huge, so they take much time in order to solve. We have remaining apps like GLPI and Solmon for a ticketing system, but where people take huge time and it doesn't contains the information of other problems. It only shows a single problem at that particular moment. Like the soulman is something like we text our problem and we don't know whether the admin is going to see it, or when we send a kind of email we don't know what's happening on the other side of our particular message. But here we came up with a solution named AI powered ticketing system. We use AI here and ML in order to show which ticket has more priority. And let's go into our project. It is powered with AI ticketing system. It is something like Helpdesk, IT Helpdesk for the people in the power grid. So this is our particular dashboard. It shows total number of free ticket, and here we have added some static data. We will create the backend with a dynamic data taking directly from the power grid, the problems from the power grid. And here the total tickets, critical issues and resolution rate and SLA compliance. And we can create ticket here, and here we go. It shows the type of issues across all region and which type of issues are more, so that their problem can be like I'll show you. Here we have knowledge base, right? So that the problems which have huge critical thing, here the articles or the information about it is represented. And this is what it is like. Knowledge base is something to make the user like the particular person in the power grid learn what is the problem and how to solve it. This is the second point of ours. And let's go to the dashboard and create one ticket. So one moment, I have to explain this. And we have been showing zone wise distribution here. It's something like it represent how many problems are there in northern zone, western zone, southern zone and eastern zone. And we have something like trends and energy, like it is completely ML based, and which says resolved total tickets and resolved ticket here. Like everybody can see how many problems are raised, how many are solved and how many are like in process. So here we go. This is the recent tickets. It shows the progress and the criticality of that particular problem. And we have transformer 1:1, and when we like, this is what it was. And let's go to the ticket section. And here we go. All the tickets are viewed here. Admin can be easily see what are the tickets that he want like raised, or what are the tickets assigned, or so on. And coming to the submit ticket, let's create some ticket with employee ID 123 and employee name Samira. Some like, here we go. Some will give you some problem. And equipment ID CBA1. And when we go to the next step, here it is asking the the issue type, and we'll give the date. In such a we'll give the date. In such a way we can raise the ticket. Even we can post some image also. Like let me post some image. Yeah, here we go. Here in this way we can post some image. And we have review and submit one. And coming to the AI intelligence center, here test AI classification. Instead of you giving priority your packet, you can see what is the priority of the problem. So I'll give you network here. When I classify the issue, network issue, it gives the priority, category, and suggested team and confidence for that particular problem. This is where we have used AI, and it classifies the every problem, and there will be no negative duplicates of every ticket. Only one ticket is formed. If the same ticket is raised by anyone, the level of ticket will be increased to critical or something, high, critical, and so on. Here we go to the chatbot, and we can actually give the chatbot the messages, something. And here the chatbot assists the power grid people, and it helps to track their packet. And let's go to the knowledge base. As I said before, it helps the people to learn how to solve the problem. It is not just a app built for the solving the problem, but also like making people known about that particular problem. And when we go to the smart routing, it says how your particular packet is raised and how it had been reached to the admin. And next, if we go to the AI assistant, entire thing will be same. So this is our app AI powered ticketing system. I feel you have understand this. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And at the last, power grid is the most important thing in our daily life. So the people who face problem in power grid should be they should be solvable in very fast moment. We have been focusing on AI and ML in order to solve these problems. Thank you.